Welcome to this video on intermediate SQL topics. Today, we will explore advanced queries, performance tuning, and more. In this section, we will define what intermediate SQL is and why it is essential for data professionals. Let us dive into advanced joins. We will look at how inner joins retrieve matched records while outer joins can include unmatched records. Subqueries allow us to nest queries within queries, while CTEs make complex queries easier to read and maintain. Indexes can significantly improve query performance. We will discuss the different types and when to use them effectively. Transactions are crucial for maintaining data integrity. The ACID properties ensure database transactions. Window functions allow us to perform calculations across a set of table rows related to the current row, offering powerful analytical capabilities. In conclusion, we have covered several key intermediate SQL topics. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more SQL tips.